I said oh yeah analysis no maybe no chese as I buy in court na court na krana but utie attorney general so said o si read ne report na I say ono kra nya ne de just as mambaka so
attorney general show say anya ne de ade we nyina we dey nim bia bia be kwa akosi
oh sir
oh na wonim let's be frank with the issues. Mprechu, yeti krom hano. Aban we ba power foforo na. Eno started say ono ne nkrofo a omo gina asendi bia. Aban a wo se wo de bia e frɛ no oral. Operation recover all loot. No say nko omo ya ne say operation recover all loot. Be from NPP appointees.
Okay.
Which excludes NDC. About what because they be a loot na no more recover. Now you're from NPP appointees. NDC appointees or my we be no. And I say perceive say or my we be no. Or more the end ho. Nanke ate ho asesa. But your ora a kwabnado for. Den attorney general will say and I know when you na nim say they asemi hani. Okotwa asem nim ye den. Sa nolly prosecute na ode buy no. Na eso mfa so ne sen. Ada na wo ma asem ne nkonko ende. If I show me one of them yeah. Dr. Stephen Opuni. Ni issue no say also be recover all loot. And you mean well for Ghana. Sikabi chen sikabi. Why NDC ni nti yenya no meboa. Me pa cho Ora Collins Dauda sagleme issue no. Ada no no so yeja no. If indeed a buying per se of fighting corruption, Sabi, we are bad tiny who say pepe pay or wafa. A quaya wofa so tia obano. Say me who said the old tia obana say, oh, tia me ba and hammy. Because minim say, why would the crown? What tia say by a womb free crown? Sure. Now, what can we the share with him? Na me what by bomby the say, oh, bonekuna, massa. So be any baby. Me pacho Dr. Ernest Thompson, so dear, na kosi saying. The patron said that it hearing some from sa a angle we see. On one crofo Sebi or buy what do omo bonny ache or must a more years he can grant to the papa by your mahama Majamo Munkofi will be any trinko didim. It is as he cano a shit ya bokagu. What you say, Sikano a shit. So I'm not surprised. Said now is Tamakloe or no Sikano a shit. Yabokagu 90 million Ghana cedis. Ashe.
Skana he.
Nada yenimu anti yenhwena. John Dramani Mahama His Excellency me pacho mo kai muntie 3. Emranti ayanyambna sam sei. Ese obi eyire a wo ye jeje. Sabi ye ja wo mo beto ne mo na. O ma kan sem we nyina wo radio so threaten almost every individual in this country. Court to do ma ko shame some few months. Omu ko shame any 1 week. President Mahama on the vice omu nyina omu account NDC mpanimfo nyina ya apam ne akwa akoyi no. What that means is when it's about an NDC member emra ne nya adwuma say ye NDC ni a emra bia nya adwuma amprajo wutie de America no
papa
omu no ehu ehia omu ho won faso omu esen Ghana fo aya ka nyina nti okokan eso that time ya maame Professor Jena no Poku Ajeman Sebi or your bad time or abadaye etin or kosan bi. But one thing I always tell people, they say there is a thin line between abadaye and abasheboni. If I what you say, abadaye and abasheboni, there's a thin line in them. What I say be our door ban into now ocean it tachu. Because fast my bro. It would me person my mom picture how our NDC I tell them about issue in this. How our NDC treating them crop for when it comes to a yamran. We are no one a political opponents. We said you were hang hams a war born. If I join Hanan, Sikasa and Abedi Hanan. In fact, I no grandpa allegation. But what I say, and so now you are hearing the Christ. Sika biche sika bi ana some penifo amabobo din nyina no sika na biche sika bi ana me ne wo kasa wuntumi twirim because Yes, we are galamsey and I am a concession or the man crofobia say omunya reclamation, yes, in your reclamation, yes, so moya galamsey, yes, so moya galamsey. 20 years with them. President Mahama Bekache say, we are aware say NDC party or penifoni bi. And then the political appointees ni bi. Ye galamsey. But I'm pretty sure what is President Mahama apamo any of his appointees because of galamsey da. But the political opponent there, yamfa abamra ni yemoninku no. And when baby a yaba bejina, ti me pese me twa sanfoni ni we say, ni ehunu NDC aban no. Baby omudi ye free in terms of fighting corruption, in terms of say omo pampa omo de akwapa no kwafo wadi kakra hu no kure sika no kure ye sure say nyon nko ani di ye nyina ye di bi nti ye nya om no mko mbe. That is the picture they are creating. Na enya sa me pa cho yemransem ne so ansakra no me who is this you know a miscarriage of justice. No credit be a man sem ne course no. And I'm hugely disappointed in the judges. How mama this ruling. So disappointed. So unanimous FC na President Mahama and a pound for can and Rebi. Creating the impression say NPP control judges no. Me assure say the omo ye nintino. Sometimes ya na lumba so ne kan wunya ya be yintu nim say sa na mete. Enti esu anu omu mu na anu ne no anu mo san de aba omu di control judges ne e kire omu what they have to do. And this is a testament to sa nioma na omo kan ye no. The majority has na same way they are yaso. Mama na di esika 90 million Ghana cedis. Court to say you are acquitted and discharged. Kofi esika na baby da bi akoko to us nedi. Ko na court to us nedi. Ni anya NDC communicators and crofo a wo ka so mo be fight corruption no. They walk okobra wu no. Afedi wo mo so mpafenam. Aren't we worried as a people?
God say quite do the born inconsistencies.
Maybe so say court na I Cause Act 1993. Menya lawyer ni but it's clearly spelled out. What I say? Section 31(2). It's clearly spelled out. They are talking about defects. What does this act talk about say about defect? Menya lawyer ni nti ade na atwe ne brofo. It is a me kind na mete ase a judges ne person che so do man ante ase ana. Ba me ba so. The macho appeal na said na Tamakloe kwa ye no kra. To me there was no appeal. There was no appeal.
As said by the Attorney General.
Yes, there was no appeal because otina wo man mu ye journalist waso do akiri pa. Mo platform yi so pa. Me pacho every ben July 2024 and a modest case said na appeal. E wo Ghana. Wanted that. Wanted that. Me pacho Nevada court wo US. Ghana that time NPP wo power. On my Ghana de extradition case na ekwadan wo mo a oso Sedina Tamakloe issue no mu no. Me pacho wo te da. Said na a raise issue of appeal.
No.
Because enka to say the SCC Attorney General eso kwa stay of execution enka ade a said the Tamakloe lawyers be ye ne say ko mo kwa a stay of execution no ma go on to say omo kwa appeal me ba what you say so omo pe stay of execution grandpa ye nim say they had just 3 months to appeal so 3 months no so no atwam every bay na omo file appeal no. And why did the appeal remain latent and answer dormant? Bepim 2026 from 2024 appeal no be anti honka the person a warrior appeal no so no one take step bia ko pim say ne na ban eba power ansa na yet sa appeal bi wo na indeed ya convicting nipa 10 years what also wa magana na indeed so wase wa ye appeal mpa ekanya bro wa abrochire na na ama no ne onya me kan Ghana han ene wo se nka ne lawyer fo ani bre so ombe pushi appeal no se be yi a meboa
yeah
enka mo twa ama na bansa no ma be ya appeal because oba na yesi chinchire do betume ka onia no ene ombe fight appeal no se eyeye mo de anase wanya utire didim but appeal no remaining silent throughout for over almost 2 years. Nobody activated it. Sedina and the lawyers are activated that. Kwapim say NDC aba power. Even state attorneys, according to Godfrey Yebo Adame, got to know of it April this year, April 2026. And the state attorneys who say, hey, Sedina Tamakloe. Almost all appeal be. This is a manufactured one because appeal no just 3 months after the case.
Yeah.
And as our time now elapsed, it was here for quite be a faso say process no or appeal and it reason. And we will be asun. Ebio so person who say asem no emu awrema. If I just said na eba Ghana no. Even see I didn't be konsa wo mkura na a problem. Aban penimfo we say to the Franklin Kujo and a better on the Facebook was one aban pen in the pa bi akasa. Or say Sedina is on a house arrest. Hey. 4 legs good. 2 legs bad. Some animals are more equal than others. Some Ghanaians are more equal than others. Ghana for only be one no see a do cotton sawama say it me more house arrest. Emraban he said John Mahama and then the NDC aban ko anything see. Eti me say ye some for ni we nyina asem we sa dance ni ho a ye twa be ye den. Ade ya dance. Nipa na dwane from Ghana ebra ye gusu di nasem. It is the appeals court saying say wonya aware of some fact we nyina na. Are they saying say Sedina Tamakloe one see the crown fan so ana? Is that what they are saying? Is that what they are telling us? Again, say the American almost says charge sheet, you know, not a defect. Charge sheet in the meboa.
Yes.
No problem. What does Omo Act, you know, a Courts Act 1993, a Act 459, Section 31. What does it say about a charge sheet a defect? In fact, based on Omo you know, there was an appeals court to Sedina appeal no cry to Chine. That is what it says.
I see.
Wasn't Kwamo to Chine? What does it say? Or say section 2 of section 31, subsection 2 or say the court shall dismiss the appeal if it considers that no substantial miscarriage of justice has actually occurred. No substantial miscarriage of justice has actually occurred, or that the point raised in the appeal consists of a technicality. You say, "Uko raise the point, na a technicality, na no substantial miscarriage has occurred." Court knows what to do.
Okay.
Or procedural error, or a defect in the charge, a defect in the charge sheet. No substantial issue has been raised except some basic in your way. It is not me saying
if there's a defect in the charge sheet, then you can throw away the case.
Exactly.
So which means that defect in
or indictment, but there is evidence to support the offense alleged in the statement of offense in the charge of or indictment or any other offense of which the accused could have been convicted upon the charge or blah 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 blah. But the American question is, what does Omo Court Act 1993 Act 459 eka? And are we not surprised? Now me mom de anya me wanwo. Me ebra me hu say Chief Justice to kono. NDC promises omo ba omo be yi na free ho. Na say be omo be yi na free no omo ba ye den because omo adwini mo omo so woni NPP na hwebum mebo a. Omo hu ni so omo ntimi control ne nkire no do omo betimi onye. Eti yemfa frivolous reasons bia flimsy reasons bia ne yemfa nyini mfiri honom ne yemfa yen aye de emra ono de betimi ne na kohwebo yenya yie kura public lo betimi abehage ye ne ade me pa what you say they are comfortable with it issue we enya wo na abe panel obe a panel no. Somebody, the Chief Justice, and the Bema directive as to who and who should sit on the case. But what you say? Eti sabi one good turn deserves another. Eti nanu ya do abedi Chief Justice President Mahama Doba ubetimi ahwa me yede na kotum usuru kura. Ubetimi ahwa me yede na kotum usuru kura. That is the more reason why I feel say this decision from the appeals court, you know, so disappointing. It's a miscarriage of justice. I believe that justices, you know, wherever they are with this judgment, I'm sure they will not be proud of themselves. Because Obia Ria or mining 90 million. Hey, are you emboldening politicians this way? A Chinabi say aban bi ba no ono so say ya che na nipa ono so the nolly prosecute aba de eni nwie no ya clear ho mu nyina no oman ne ya kwa na ya ba e china bi aban bi ba no wo say ni nipa bi edam yes won kodam 50 years because wakowia oman ni sika 100 billion na yes ya China we will reference Sedina Tamakloe issue. Na aka say na ndisi na say no amujai said na Tamakloe. Na aka say dey asay dey nya bi wo ho. Eba sa na politicians ye ko ya na say ye bae. Oman ne ye boa na na say ye pay ne fombo. And you see say Attorney General dey no person who say we hypocrite na no kure bi ani ma hwe communicators. So person who say Attorney General we hypocrites. New hypocrite. I was that posture now with their manner. Me see Tiomu communicators. They are all defending Sedina's, the Court of Appeals decision. And the Attorney General, you think they say he's the only pious person in NDC? This is a grand scheme. It was all planned. Say adia ye ba be yeni. Na ba just okay ma tin pebu asem obeka ye no. Was it Sedina is making a big mistake? What banyaba ebra was our banie. It is also kakra they can pardon you. This is another form of pardon. But you use court, you know. President Mahama could have said we pardon, no. But when you say political implications, it is use court, you know. Indirectly, you pardon, no. It's as simple as that. What I say? Right. Posterity will not be kind.
Okay.
To President Mahama. Any this judgment.
All right.
Because you wouldn't say omo egu omo hu animu ase. Onu a wo so wo be fight corruption no. Say be ami ehunu say be yenya ne mugidi a enye yi.
All right, Max, but that's it. Fin.
I'm betu ma that's it. Na ma fa akonya